Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video at the project site I'm at today. I'm on the Upper East Side in an apartment that is recently purchased, and they're going to be doing a renovation. I'll be creating the drawings for the interior designer. I'll create a floor plan, a reflected ceiling plan, and an electrical plan. That's Central Park. That's the south end of Central Park, uptown. So this is the great room with closet, common bath, kitchen area. There's your entrance. And then there's a hallway with another common bath, and then this doorway starts the master suite. The master suite has double closets on the left. It has the bathroom straight ahead, another closet, and then here's the bedroom. I figured I'd show you what I'm working on today. Thank you for viewing my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings of whether it's a space in Manhattan or somewhere in the tri-state area, Hamptons, Connecticut, upstate New York, please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video, and have a fantastic day.